Hey. All right, just like that. Engine's in there for the second time in 2 weeks. Hopefully we don't go 3 for 3. Hoping this is the last time I got to do this. Anyways, engine's in. Just got to bolt in the engine and transmission mounts so it don't move. But other than that, she's in there in the cradle. Good to go as far as that's concerned. So next on the list, once I get that stuff sorted out, I got to go ahead, do the drive shaft, exhaust. I'll go ahead and do the passenger side axle. I'll leave the driver's side axle so I can go ahead and bleed the clutch. Once the clutch is fully bled, then I can go ahead, put the driver's side axle in. And then I'll probably move on to the front of the car. The alternator, hook up the power steering pump, the AC compressor, that's what that is. All the coolant lines, reconnect all the grounds, electrical stuff, you know, yada, 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 yada. Go ahead, put the front end on. Yeah, and hopefully get her fired up. Today's only Tuesday, so normally I start these videos on like Friday and then I work Saturday, Sunday. Hoping to skip all that stuff, get it done on Tuesday, Wednesday, maybe Thursday. So let me get back to it. Alright guys, what's up? So it's Wednesday today. Yesterday I went ahead, I installed the engine transmission, bolted everything onto the chassis, I'll say that. And then I started the car. Car starts, runs perfectly fine, no abnormal issues. So this morning what I did when I first got home, I went ahead, I wired up the rest of the car, installed the front clip. I haven't touched the exhaust, drive shaft, axles, all that stuff. I haven't touched that yet because if you remember last time, I went ahead and did that prior to me hooking up the coolant system and then putting coolant in the car. And when I did have that leak, it led for me to have to take off, you know, all that stuff that I already had installed. So before we go ahead and install that stuff, I'm gonna make sure that this car does not leak any coolant. So let's go start it. All right. Oh, the key's already in it.